Today on the channel, I'm going to give you a little walk around what's all included in the 5-inch Skyjacker lift kit for the 2nd gen Dodge after it's been installed on the truck. What is going on, everybody? I hope everybody is doing well out there today. It is a little overcast day here in Northeast PA. It seems like you get 1 or 2 days of nice weather and then it has to rain. But I'm going to give you a little walk around video of what's all in this lift kit that we got for the 2nd gen Ram, the mud truck to show truck project here. I'll post a video of the unboxing of that lift kit because I had a couple questions about the control arms and what's all included in the kit, and I'll show you a little bracket up front, not a little bracket, it's a pretty big bracket, that hopefully eliminates the truck ever developing the death wobble. So I'll talk about that in here in a little bit. But I would like to thank Pat from A&A Truck and Off-Road here in Dallas, PA for helping us get this lift kit, and I also like to give a big thanks to Matt from Apple Hill 4x4, a division of A&A Auto Stores out in Muncie, PA. If you're in either of those two areas, guys, stop in, tell them you see the videos, tell them Wicked Fab said hi, and that you're a subscriber or fan, or you've watched the video. So if you're new to the channel, give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, please, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. So let's start here with the back half of the truck, and I'll show you what's all included in that lift kit. You'll get a new leaf spring pack, new shocks, and you'll also get a brake drop bracket. This is where the brake connector was originally up top inside the frame, where the bracket brings it down. That's pretty much all that you get for the back half of the kit. Oh, and you also get new U-bolts in the kit. So here, give you a little better look of what it looks like underneath, and this is some of the work that we have done to get the truck ready for this show season. And as you can see, the other shock is over here. And we also installed a new breather hose for the rear axle, and that just snakes all the way up here, and it comes out to the filter up here. I'm still finding a lot of dirt, rocks, and mud up underneath, believe it or not, because just when you think you've got it all cleaned out, you manage to find more. But I'm going to take you up here to the front now, which I have a light here to give you a little bit more light up on the front here, and I'll show you what's all included in this kit up here. In this kit, you will get upper and lower control arms. You'll get an upper control arm bracket relocation bracket, which makes this control arm more horizontal to the ground. You'll also get the dual front shocks bracket kit. That's the upper one up there, and the lower one that mounts right there. Moving along to the front, you will get sway bar drop brackets. You'll get dual steering stabilizers. And over here, you will also get a new drop pitman arm. Give you a little bit better look there. And one of the most important things we were talking about as far as the death wobble, and let me see if I can't get you underneath there, see if we get you some light. Which we did also clean up a lot of the front here. So we have the front and rear differential covers that are matching. Here is the track arm drop bracket, which brings the track arm down, because if you didn't have this bracket, it would be up there more. And what you want to do is try and keep this track bar in its original place to eliminate the death wobble. And even though some trucks do have it there and it still develops the death wobble, then you might have to get a steering box bracket that goes across here. We took this truck out for a test drive, and it does not have the death wobble. It didn't have it before we started, and it does not have it after we put this lift on. And that's pretty much what you guys get in this this lift kit. Well, I hope this video helps you guys all out to show you what's all included in the 5-inch Skyjacker lift kit for the 2nd gen Ram. Like I said, after installing the lift, I was a little bit scared that it would have developed the death wobble, which it has not. So I'm not too concerned that it will. It may in the future, but who knows? It might be the tie rod ends or nothing. But we'll worry about that here. But we're going to be getting ready to mount the tires up, get them out, and take it out of this here dry dock. So if you guys are liking what you're seeing, give me a big thumbs up, smash down on that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and once again I'd like to thank Matt from Apple Hill 4x4 out there in Muncie, PA, and Pat from A&A Truck and Off-Road here in Dallas, PA, for helping us get the truck to where it's at. We did a lot of restoration and restoring it back with some rust preventiveness, and it took quite some time to get it to where it's looking like now. But we're going to be heading out to the show field here shortly. If you guys are in the area or you're going out to the 2019 Summer A&A 4-wheel drive jamboree in Bloomsburg, PA, then that's in July. I'll be out there. Look for me. Maybe we'll get you in a video. Stop by, say hi. Well, till next time, I'm Joe, and driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabs.